Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here again. And this is Karin Brouwer from the Netherlands. And where in the Netherlands are you located?
I live in Utrecht,
Utrecht, okay.
really the center. Yeah.
And you're not just a photo manager, but you also are a professional organizer as
Yes.
well.
Yes, home
Okay.
organizer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so tell me, what are the issues that people have in the Netherlands with their photos, and what's something that you've done with a client that was interesting this past year?
In the Netherlands, I don't know if it's specific for the Netherlands, but what is specific is that last client, for example, when she said, "Oh, I'm so glad I found you, that you exist, that photo organizers exist." So it's still not very known, but it's growing. What we do, what I offer, the digital photo organizing, sometimes scanning, making photo books for the clients, and but I like very much to clean it up, to teach my clients, to educate them, clean it up. So the deduping I like very much, and I learn them. Some of the clients, they want to learn, they really want to have the app like Photo Sweeper on their Mac, and then I teach them about it.
So there's a little more do-it-yourself.
It is yeah, and also workshops is really a good idea. Yeah, people like to learn, they like to do the start together, because they are really, sometimes they are afraid to open their catalogs, the folders which contain so much photos.
Yeah.
That was also the problem of my last client. She had a recovered hard disk, and she didn't dare to open it herself, because she said, "I'm afraid, because maybe a lot of photos they have gone, and if they are there, I really don't know what to do, where to start." And
so she had a hard drive crash?
no, it was an old computer, something with that, and somebody put it on an external hard disk.
Okay.
But that was too old, it was broken, and it was recovered. And she brought it, and we said, "Well, first, let me have a look first." She was afraid. Sometimes the clients are overwhelmed, because, and that's another point. I like really to educate, because people is taking too much pictures, and they are really unknown about what is happening with all the pictures. Sometimes they go directly to a cloud.
Right.
Costs a lot of energy.
Yeah.
And they even can't find them on their computers. That is also something I have to help them. And I really like that. This is like a search where are they? Where are the pictures?
We're playing detective.
Yeah. And then they are so happy after. Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
And then I have to teach them all. So you can do it like this. Do you prefer them in folders?
Okay.
I really like the folders, because then the photos are really yours. But I also like programs like Apple Photo Library, because a program is doing also very nice things for you. It's organizing already. It's but okay, the point from why so many photos? Why more than 50,000 photos?
Yeah.
What will be your legacy? And then when I put that word on book, I see, oh yes. Will your children like to see all those pictures? And then we have to clean up.
Right.
It's sometimes I'm coaching people. Sometimes it's the combination most of the time, and just helping with the technical things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm here at the conference, learning.
Yep. Well,
Learn-
because
and-
everything's
and,
changing.
Yeah, exchanging. Yes, and it's really like meeting old friends.
Yes.
After a year, yeah.
It's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Well, thank you,
Yeah.
and come back and
Yeah.
look for us again next time with
Yeah.
another photo manager.